Welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how you can make legal page on Shopify. Open your browser and go to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Now from here, navigate to the bottom left of your screen and select Settings over here. Then click this Policies below. You will be taken to this page where you can set some policies and agreements for your online store. As you can see, for my return and refund policy, there's nothing set on it. So let's create one right now by clicking this one. On the top, you can simply use Shopify's template over here. Now click on that. Read and edit this one. Once done, click Publish below. You can do this on the other policies as well, like Terms of Service, Shipping Policy, and Purchase options over here. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.